this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is I'm Yours, Lord, and that's by Reverend Clay Evans and the Fellowship Choir. Guys, I remember playing this in my church. This was requested by Kevin Dockery. Thank you so much, Kevin, for giving us this awesome song to work on today. We're going to get into it and have some fun. And to kick things off, let me show you what I'm working with on today. I have my vitamin water squeeze. That's a lemonade flavor. And I'm going to get into that. It looks very good. Guys, I want you to head to your favorite refrigerator. Open it up, grab your favorite beverage out, head on back to your favorite keyboard, and sit down and learn with me, your favorite instructor in the whole wide world, me, AK, on today. All right, let's get it. We're in the key of B flat. That's B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat. Of course, this is numerical melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. As usual, let's go ahead and stretch our knuckles, crack them. All right, wiggle them, get all the little nervousness out, and let's get ready to play I'm Yours, Lord by Reverend Clay Evans. That was I'm Yours, Lord by Reverend Clay Evans and the Fellowship Choir. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. All right, guys, easy song. We're going to get through it. So it's starting off with... All right, what is that? So we're starting out on the 2. And we're playing this C minor chord, and we're going to hit the 2 again. Then we're going to the 3, regular B flat major chord. Going to our 4, that's a regular C minor chord again. Then we're going to our 5, and we're playing a regular B flat major chord. Going to the 2, E diminished 7. Resolving, we're on the F dominant on our 5. Then we're finishing with the 1. That's a regular B flat major chord. And then they're doing this nice gospel walk up. All right, very common. We're on the 3. We're playing this B flat dominant 7. Going to our E flat major chord. Going to our 5 flat. That's a regular D flat dominant 7. Then we're going to our regular B flat major chord on the 5. Doing this nice gospel turnaround with an A7 flat 5 chord on the 5. You know, she starts off a little high. I'm yours, Lord. Everything I got, everything I am, everything I'm not. Let me give you that. So what we're doing is we're on the 1. We're playing our B flat major chord. Then we're going to the 5. And we're playing a regular E flat major chord. Going right back to the 1. So that's I'm yours, Lord. All right, then the next part is, here's our transition. Our transition is this B flat dominant 7. Everything I got. All right, what is that? We're on the 4. We're playing an E flat major chord. Going to the 5, same E flat major chord. Resolve with the B flat on the 1. Everything I am. Same chorus. Everything I'm not. All right, they're doing this nice little turnaround here. They're on the 6 and they're playing a C minor chord, going to a B flat major chord, going right back to the C minor chord. Isn't that cool? And in the left hand, that's just a 6, going to the 5, going right back to the 6. And then we start over. I'm yours, Lord. Try me and see. All right, here we go, right here. So the transition is we're on the 7 flat, and we're playing this A flat dominant 7, going to the 6, playing the G dominant 7 chord. All right, and then we just start over and do our beginning. Guys, that's the whole song. If that's all I gave you, that will be enough. That's the whole song. But it's a couple things that we can do. We can, I'm yours, Lord. So I'm doing this nice little thing. See that? And that's just a nice little transition going from the 3 to the 4. All right, so it's like, I'm yours, Lord. See how I did that? All right, so that's cool to do. So another cool thing we can do is, I'm yours, Lord, everything I got, everything I am, everything. You saw that? So that's cool. You can add that. All right, what did I do? I played D flat major, and I went to a C minor, then I went to my B flat minor, and back to the C minor. So again, in context, that's, I'm yours, Lord, everything I am. Right there. Guys, I hope this was a blessing to you. I'm going to call that a lesson. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is, greatness wasted is potential lost. I once worked at a job where my supervisor was exceptionally competent. He not only knew his own responsibilities, but also understood everyone else's roles inside and out. The other supervisors will often tell him, you don't need to do everything yourself. Let your team handle their part. To avoid making them feel like he was trying to outshine them or play the role of a superhero, he eventually scaled back and stopped doing as much. On one hand, it was the right thing because it preserved team harmony and encouraged others to take ownership. But overall, it was the wrong thing because it meant holding back his full potential, which may have limited the team's overall effectiveness. He ultimately just became another supervisor like everyone else. I learned, when you hold back your greatness, you're not just stopping yourself. You're holding back the people who need your light to grow. Playing small doesn't serve the world. You were made to shine, to lead, to inspire. And when you rise, you give others permission to rise with you. So don't dim your light. Turn it all the way up. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in. Thank you so much for joining me, learning with me. I pray that you guys have got something from this. And also, thank you so much again, Kevin, for giving us that awesome song. Please request more. And guys, of course, this is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to, 1 million. We're on the road to 1 million. Guys, this cannot be done unless you share and continue to get the word out of this awesome channel. And I would also love it if you go and check out my Facebook page. That's me playing all of the songs that I love to hear and play. And of course, I hope that you do as well. And you can request a song from me and I can play it for you. Guys, that's Miracle Melodies on Facebook. Go and check it out. And I would love it if you can hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe. Yes, they tell me it takes 3 seconds and I believe it does. I want you to believe it does. So let's try in 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit it and you just hit the bell. Thank you so much for coming in and making my day. Guys, you are not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK signing off.